What's up, YouTube? This is Daniel again. We're working on my son's car today, and for once, there's nothing wrong with it. But if you guys thought I'm getting my son a 300 horsepower car as his first car, and I don't keep tabs on him, you guys are wrong. This is what I got. I got a little dash cam, and today we're gonna install it. Dash cam installation is fairly easy, but I have a hardwire kit, so it's going to become part of the car. You won't be able to remove it. And then, of course, a huge, 64 gigabyte, gigabyte chip, I guess. I don't even know my sizes anymore, but that should give enough footage to see what he's up to when I'm not around. Right now, it's not a problem. He's still on a permit, but pretty soon he'll be driving by himself, and I'd like to know what he's doing. Let's check it out. Let's open it up. All right, let's see. Oh, I already ripped it. There we go. That's it. This is the remote record button. Some sticky stuff. What is in here? Tiny little USB charger. Here's the regular wiring kit, which we're not gonna use. What is this? I guess we'll find out. Some instructions, which we're not going to use. All right, well, let's see. That's it. Let's go do it. All right, the first thing we gotta do is plan out where it's gonna go. I think I want it right back here, so when you're sitting in the car, you don't see it. The only thing with Mercedes is not a lot of gaps to plug stuff in. Like I had in some other cars, you could have put entire power cords behind it. In this one, it's a lot tighter, and the wires may be exposed as they're running down here. We're gonna try to remove some of this trim. Let's see what we can do. Here we go. There it is. We're gonna tap into one of these fuses. So we removed some of this trim just now, and the question is how we're getting this big bulb through this tiny little hole. So maybe we'll leave this right in here, because there's no airbags on here. I think it will be safe. There we go. That was much easier. Okay, so this rest is gonna lift down here. So we're gonna zip tie this together. So this hardwiring kit includes fuses for modern cars. This is a 2004 model. Has the bigger fuses, so we can't use it. So I guess we're gonna have to wire up something ourselves. Let's see what happens. There it is. So I plugged in one into a constant power and the negative to the car. And so this way, this will record all the time. This camera will even record when it's off, 1 frame per second. So if somebody runs into the car, it will record hopefully their plate. Now let's go ahead and put it back together. Done. Here we go, 15 minutes. It's installed, it's clean, it's out of the way. You can't even see it's there. If you have a child, just get yourself one. It's great to keep tabs on them. I know what I did when I was 16. I hope my son is smarter than that. But just in case something happens, you have video backup. You can show it to the insurance because a 16-year-old in a 300 horsepower car, the insurance is gonna be high. And I wanna make sure that the video really tells the story if ever needed. Go do it. As an extra bonus, I will show you a little trick that most Mercedeses have. All the windows are open, the sunroof is open. If you get into a tunnel, you click this button and hold it. This is called tunnel mode.